Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll start this book from beginning. Al-Wahdatul Ula, first unit. Al-Wahda mean unit. Al-Ula, first. At-Tahiyya mean greetings. Wa and At-Ta'aruf, introduction. At-Tahiyyatu Wat-Ta'aruf, greetings and introduction. So here you will all study how to greet someone in Arabic and how to introduce to someone in Arabic. الوحدة الأولى التحية والتعارف الدرس الأول first lesson الأرض show display presentation you can also say الحوار الأول حمزة first dialogue part A انظر واستمع wide look and listen and repeat. So now we'll start this dialogue. Khalid says Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Assalam mean peace. Alay mean upon. Kum mean you. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Khalid replies Wa alaykumus salam. And peace be upon you too. And peace be upon you too. Then Khalid says Ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. So ism mean name and he mean my. Ismi, my name. Ismi Khalid, my name is Khalid. Masmuka, what is your name? Ma mean what? Ism mean name and ka mean your. Masmuka. So here it will be better if you silent the alif and join the meme with sin. So Masmuka, what is your name? So ka mean your, ism mean name and ma mean what? Ismi Khalid, Masmuka. My name is Khalid, what is your name? Khalil, Ismi Khalil, my name is Khalil. So ism mean name and he mean my name is Khalil. Khalid, Kaifa haluka, how are you? Kaifa mean how, hal mean condition, ka mean your. So Kaifa haluka, how are you? Khalil, Bikhairin, walhamdulillah. I am fine and all praises belongs to Allah. Bi khairin mean I am fine, I am good. Walhamdulillah and all praises belongs to Allah. Wa kayfa haluka anta and how are you too? Wa kayfa haluka anta and how are you too? Here anta is used only for emphasis. We will not use it in translation. Anta mean you. Kayfa haluka and how are you too? Khalid bi khairin walhamdulillah. I am fine and all praises belongs to Allah. Now if anyone has any questions he can ask me. I think nobody has any question. So I need two students who will read this dialogue and translate it. So first you need to raise your hand. I hope all of you know how to raise the hand in Zoom. So if anyone wants to read, raise her hand or unmute her microphone and start reading. Miss Debbie, Miss Fatima, are you available? Miss Debbie, are you available?
Yes.
Can you speak English?
Yes.
I can't hear you well. Can you speak English?
Yes.
I can't hear you at all. Anyone else? Miss Defemer, Miss Noor, are you available?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Noor, can
Yes.
you speak English?
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Your sound is also very low. Okay, Miss Noor, you are Khalid, but I need one more students also. Miss Defemer, Miss Rohima, are you available?
I'm available.
Okay, you are Khalil and the other Miss Noor is Khalid. So start reading and translating it.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa
Wa
alaikum.
alaikum.
Wa ala-
Alaikum assalam.
I'm the first one, right?
Yes, you are the first student and Miss Rohima is second student. Start again.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace be
Alaikum
upon you.
assalam. Alaikum assalam.
Ismi Khalid. Masmuka. My name is Khalid. What is your name?
Ismi Halil. Ismi Jalil.
Khalil. Ismi Khalil.
Ismi Halil.
Kaifa haluka? How are you?
Bihairin. Walhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluka anta? Aw anti?
Anta. This is Anta.
Bikhair.
Aw anta.
Bikhair. Walhamdulillah. I am good. All praise be to Allah.
Okay. Al-Hiwar al-Awwal Ba. First dialogue part B. Unzur wastami warid. So in the first dialogue you learn how to greet a male, but here you will learn how to greet a female. So Khawla says Assalamu alaikum. Khatija wa alaikumus salam. Khawla. Ismi Khawla. My name is Khawla. Masmuki. What is your name? Khatija. Ismi Khatija. My name is Khatija. Khawla. Kaifa haluki? How are you? To male we say ka and to female we say ki. Kaifa haluki? How are you? Khatija. Bikhairin walhamdulillah. I am fine and all praises belongs to Allah. Wa kaifa haluki anti? And how are you too? Khawla bi khairin walhamdulillah. So the only difference between male and female is this ka and ki. Male we say masmuka haluka. To female we say masmuki kaifa haluki. Rest is same. Any question from anyone? No question. Now I need to. Yes, Miss Rabia Basri. Any question?
Yes, yes, sir. For this, we will send the book for this, sir. PDF of this book.
Sorry, what? I can't hear you.
How about the book for this, sir? Which book it is? If you want to study, how to study without book?
Okay. The name of this book is Arabiyyatu Bayna Yadayk. It is available online on many websites. You just make the search for the name Arabiyyatu Bayna Yadayk. You will find many websites which are selling this book.
Okay,
And
Jazakallah, sir.
also it is available on many Islamic bookshops. You can get
Okay,
it from those bookshops. Then
Ji.
those students who cannot buy the book, I will send them the link in the WhatsApp group. From there they can download and print it.
Okay, sir. Ji, ji. Jazakallah, sir.
Mayyakum. Anyone else? Okay, no question. No, I need two students who will read this. Who wants to read?
Excuse me. Assalamu alaikum. Shall I read?
Okay, Miss Debbie, you are Khawla, and Miss Rabia Basri, you are Khatija. Start.
Okay. Yeah. Khawla. Assalamu alaikum. Khadija. Wa alaikum assalam. Khawla.
Listen, Miss
Ismi Khawla.
Rabia. Listen, Miss Rabia. Miss Debbie is Khawla, and Miss Rabia is Khatija. So, Miss Debbie, you are
हाँ
student. Wa alaikum
जी
assalam.
Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू
Ismi Khawla. ما اسمك؟
اسمي خديجة اسمي خديجة
كيف حالك؟
pardon me yeah خديجة بخير والحمد لله
Miss Rabia, one more line.
وكيف حالك أنت وكيف حالك أنت
بخير والحمد لله.
Okay.
okay
Does anyone has any question?
Nothing.
Okay. Al-Mufradat mean vocabulary. Al-Ard presentation. Unzur wastami wide. Look and listen and repeat. So, Kaifa haluka is for male. Kaifa haluki is for female. I need a student who will read and translate it. Who wants to read? If anyone wants to read, then tell me.
Yeah, I'm interested.
Okay, Miss Faithful, you will read this.
With كيف حالك?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Translate it also.
Yeah.
Kaifa haluka, what is the meaning?
You want me to read the page that is appearing there, na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Read.
كيف حالك? كيف حالك? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Translate it also.
Yeah. Okay. How are you?
Okay, next.
It's right. It's supposed to be me.
Next.
Okay. Then كيف حالك? How are you to your female? Then أنتِ, you to your female. أنت, you to your male. Masmuka, what's your name to your male? Masmuki, what's your name to your female?
Okay, Miss Faithful, what is your name?
I'm Jafreen Jannat, but I was with Amatullah in WhatsApp.
Okay, Jeffrey. So I will save your name here because here name was something else. Okay. Now I have corrected your name. Okay. Tadribul awwal, first exercise. Sil bayna al-ibarati was-suratil munasiba. Connect between the phrase and the appropriate picture. Now let me tell you a very important thing. In this class, homework is necessary. If anyone missed the class, no problem. She can watch the recording of the video and recording of the class and complete the homework. But homework is necessary here. Those students who will not complete their homework and will not submit it to Google Classroom will be removed from the class. So every one of you must complete homework on time and submit it to Google Classroom. I will send you the code of Google Class where you will join the Google Classroom. So in the Google Classroom, you will see this homework as homework number 1. In homework number 1, you will just, this is the first question of Tadrib al-Awwal, Sil bayna al-ibarati was-surati al-munasiba. Connect between the phrase and appropriate picture. So you'll join the phrase Masmuka is for male, so you'll join it with the male picture. Masmuki is for female, you'll join it with female picture. It will be better if you solve your homework on the hard copy of the book. So Anti, you join Anti with female picture and Anta with male one. Kaifa haluka with male picture and Kaifa haluki with female picture. If you feel any trouble or any problem in doing homework, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp. I will guide you how to complete the homework, okay? So you must complete your homework and submit it to Google Classroom. Next we have the Usani, second exercise, Ajimin answer. He is asking you to answer his question. So the questions are written here and you write their answers here and submit the answer to Google Classroom. So I need a student who will answer these questions right now. Who wants to answer these questions?
Ismahu. Okay.
Okay, I will ask you and you will answer me. Miss
Yes.
Aulia, you will answer me, okay?
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Wa alaikumus salam. You need to say mus again. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Good. Masmuki.
Ismi Awliya.
Okay. كيف حالك؟
Alhamdulillah, ana bi khair.
اسمي
وكيف أنت؟
أنا أيضا بخير والحمد لله. اسمي سعد. Now I need two more students who will practice this dialogue. Raise your hand. I need two students. Raise your hand. I hope all of you know how to raise your hand in Zoom.
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Jeffrey, do you know how to raise hand in Zoom?
What?
Miss Jeffrey, do you know how to raise the hand in Zoom application?
No, I don't know.
Okay, I will send the link in class after the class. Okay. So Miss Khatija and Miss Jeffrey, you will ask each other the name and condition. Miss Khatija, continue. Miss Jeffrey will answer you.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
كيف حالك؟
أنا بخير الحمد لله.
ما اسمك؟
اسمي جعفرين جنت.
Miss Jeffrey also ask her the same questions.
Shall I?
Yes. Ask her what is your name or how are you?
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
ما اسمك؟
اسمي خديجة.
وكيف قالك؟ كيف حالك؟
وكيف حالك أنت؟
Okay, no problem. Okay, that's it for this class. I hope every one of you had understand it. If anyone has any questions, she can ask me now. Any question from anyone?
No.
No question. So today I am.
Thank you for sir.
Yes, ask your question. Any question?